Adjusting the pendulum for proper timekeeping. Does your clock run slow or fast? Regulating the speed of time on mechanical clocks is accomplished by moving the pendulum disc up or down. The pendulum disc is moved up or down by turning the adjustment nut. To slow the clock down, move the pendulum disc down. To speed the clock up, move the pendulum disc up. Example, stop your clock. To slow your clock down, turn it to the left. To speed your clock up, turn it to the right. 1 turn equals approximately 1/2 minute. Check your clock after 24 hours to see if a further adjustment needs to be done.